Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of November 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of November for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your 5th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Libra. Sun will stay in your 7th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. 5th house deal with your love relationship, 5th house deal with your children, 5th house deal with your early education, means till college type education is seen from your 5th house. Your love relationship, your fiance, your girlfriend is also seen from 5th house. So right now your 5th house Lord is moving in your 7th house, but Mars and Mercury is also moving in your 7th house. Mars is your ascendant Lord and Jupiter is also moving in your ascendant. Jupiter is right now is alone in your 1st house because Rahu is moved to your 12th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So right now Mars, Sun and Mercury, 3 of planets are moving in your 7th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matter and your business related relationship because your 5th house Lord, your love relationship Lord is moving in your 7th house of relationship and house of marriage. So we can expect if you are in love relationship right now, it could be converted into your marriage because your 5th house Lord is right now moving in your 7th house, and Mars, your ascendant Lord, is also moving in your 7th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship and your marriage related matter in the month of November. Sun will stay in your 7th house till 17th of November. After 17th of November, Sun will move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. 8th house will be your secrets. 8th house will be your longevity. 8th house will be your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your in-laws related matter is seen from 8th house. Your secret activities, your sexual activities also seen from 8th house. So after 17th of November, your 5th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house. So we can expect still you will get good result regarding your marriage related matter and your love relationship when Sun will move to your 8th house. But you need to be take care of your secret because whenever Sun is moving in 8th house, Sun will illuminate the significance of that house, and 8th house will be your secret. So your secrets may come out in the month of November, after especially after 17th of November. So you need to be take care of your secrets in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aries Ascendant people. All the Aries Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 3rd house and your 6th house. And right now your 6th house and 3rd house Lord is moving in your 7th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. And after 7th of November, Mercury will also move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. November till 27th of November, Mercury will be stay in your 8th house. And after 27th of November, Mercury will move to your 9th house in the sign of Sagittarius. 3rd house deal with your younger siblings. 3rd house deal with your communication. 3rd house deal with your neighbors. 3rd house deal with your cousins. 3rd house deal with your efforts. How much effort you can put in any work is seen from 3rd house. 6th house deal with your court case, argument, litigation, fight, your disease related matter, means your health issues are also seen from 6th house. Your loans, your debt is also seen from 6th house. Your hidden enemies are also seen from 6th house. So right now your 6th house Lord and your 3rd house Lord is moving in 8th house after 7th of November. So we can expect you need to be take care of your communication related matter because 8th house is not considered as very well house in astrology. 8th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. And your 3rd house Lord and 6th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house after 7th of November. But it will be good position for your 6th house position because 6th house will be your court case, litigation, argument, fight, and 6th house is also a naturally malefic house, and 8th house also considered as naturally malefic house. And after 7th of November, your 6th house Lord will be moving in your 8th house. So we can expect if you are running through some court case, some litigation, some argument and competition in your life, so we can expect positive result regarding these matter in the month of November, especially after 7th of November. 7th of November till 27th of November, because as we discussed previously, Mercury will stay in your 8th house till 27th of November. After 27th of November, when your 6th house and 3rd house Lord will be moving in your 9th house, then we can also expect positive result regarding your communication related matter, regarding your younger brother and sister's life, and regarding your cousins and neighbors life, because your 3rd house Lord will be moving in your 9th house, and from 9th house 3rd house Lord will be expecting its own house. So we can expect positive result regarding your younger siblings related matter, regarding your communication related matter. You get a chance to travel somewhere in the month of November because from 9th house we can also see your long distance travel, and from 3rd house we see your short distance travel. So your 3rd house Lord will be moving in your 9th house, and from 9th house 3rd house Lord will be expecting its own house. So we can expect positive result regarding your travel related matter as well in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Aries Ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now, your seventh house and second house Lord is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is just moved from your seventh house to your sixth house. Second house deal with your family. Second house deal with your wealth. Second house deal with your savings. Second house deal with your speech. Second house deal with your upbringing is also seen from second house. Your speech related matter, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationship, your business related matter is seen from seventh house. How you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from seventh house. Your business related matter is also seen from seventh house. Your legal binding, your agreements is also seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house and second house Lord is moving in your sixth house along with Ketu. So you need to be take care of your family members' health in the month of November because your second house Lord will be moving in your sixth house. And as we discussed previously, sixth house is a naturally malefic house. From sixth house, we see your diseases, your court cases, your competition. And right now, your second house Lord is moving in your sixth house, and Ketu is also moving there. So you need to be take care of your family members' health in the month of November, especially after 3rd November when Venus will move from your fifth house to your sixth house. Venus also controls your seventh house, and your seventh house Lord is moving in your sixth house. So you need to be take care of your some argument, conflicts, and argument with your partners and your relationships because your seventh house Lord is moving in your sixth house, but fifth house Lord is moving in your seventh house. So that's why we were saying you will get a good result regarding your love relationship. But you need to be take care of your communication related matter because Mercury, your third house Lord, will control your communication, and sixth house also rule your conflict and your argument is moving in your seventh house. And after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your eighth house, and eighth house is not considered as very good house in astrology. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter. You may have to face some argument with your relationship and your marriage related matter because your second house Lord, your Lord of speech is moving in your sixth house in the house of argument, and your Lord of argument is moving in your seventh house. So we can expect some argument as well in the month of November regarding your relationship, regarding your business partnership. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of November. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your fourth house. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard it's set according to 6th of November, and on the basis of 6th November we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So whenever Moon is moving near these planets from any house in transit during these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially problem, issues and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries ascendant people, Mars controls your first house and your eighth house. Means Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people because Mars controls your first house and your eighth house. And right now Mars is moving in your seventh house as we discussed previously in sun section. First house deal with you, your personality, your journal health, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house. Your fundamental nature is seen from first house, and eighth house, as we discussed previously, eighth house will be your in-laws, your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your secrets is seen from eighth house. So right now your eighth house Lord and first house Lord is moving in your seventh house. That's why we were saying in sun section you will get a good result regarding your relationship related matter and your personality related matter as well. You will get a good fame and good work in the month of November because Jupiter is now moving alone in your first house. So right now your ascendant is very strong, and your ascendant lord is sitting in 7,000. From 7,000 expecting its own house means your ascendant. So we can expect you will get good fame and good result in the month of November regarding your ascendant related matter. But Mars also controls your 8,000. 8th house lord is moving in your 7th house, so we can expect you will spend good time with your relations and your love relationship in the month of November. Because your 5th house lord Sun, which controls your fun activities, also moving in your 7th house, and your 8th house lord, which controls your sexual activities, are also moving in your 7th house. So we can expect good result regarding your relationship related matter and your personality related matter and your fame related matter in the month of November. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Aries Ascendant people in the month of November. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of November. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 7th house, and after 17th of November, Sun will move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. Second major astrological event is that Saturn is right now moving in retrograde motion in your 11th house, and after 3rd of November, Saturn will turn into its direct motion in your 11th house. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 7th house, and after 17th of November, along with Sun, Mars will also move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 7th house, and after 7th of November, Mercury will move to your 8th house in the sign of Scorpio, and on 27th of November, Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 6th house, and Venus is just moved from your 5th house to your 6th house on 3rd November in the sign of Virgo. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of November 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.